What is the sound of Book of Joe? A short film by myself and Great Cat. Well, how about I look at my computer right there, see where it says find out here? Okay, how about I click on here? Whoa, what's that? And how about that doubling effect, that reflection in the dark screen? You like that? Yeah. Yeah, Kitty, we got it going on. Okay. Well, how about I click to start? Boop. Wow. Okay. Now it says, type your jazz here. All right. This post is entitled, What is the Sound of Book of Joe? Here we go. Ready? Isn't that beautiful? And that concludes, wait a minute, hold on. There it is, okay. Kitty, that concludes our video. You want to say goodbye to all the fans? Kitty! Hey, Kitty, come on. What's this? Kitty! There she is. Kitty! And that's a wrap. Beautiful. Okay.